Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, on to the video. The supplies that I need to build my shelf. What I have here is 32 black flanges, 16 6-inch pipe nipples, and those are found in the plumbing department. However, I purchased my stuff on Amazon. A 4x8 melamine board. I had that cut into 4 pieces, which were 23.75 inches each. Okay, and now what I'm doing is just screwing on a flange on each side of the black pipe nipple, and this is going to create the legs for our shelf. Now what I need to do is attach the casters to the bottom shelf. So I'll be attaching the casters, and I'm using 6 to the bottom shelf with the 3/4 inch cabinet screws. The ones on the outside, I have brakes on those, and the inside ones there are no brakes. Okay, and you know, I didn't do any measurements. However, you can measure when you're putting your caster on. I didn't measure, but I was pretty much even. It looked pretty much even when I finished. The ones with the brakes were $4.99, and the ones without the brakes are $3.99. Okay, so here we have our first shelf. It will be completed, and my baby, he wanted to join the fun. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and attach 4 legs to the corners, and again, I did not measure, you know, the legs. However, I did try to space them evenly. Okay, and I'm attaching them with 3/4 inch screws as well. Everything here I'm using 3/4 inch screws. And then we're going to go ahead and we will repeat that step for the other shelves. I do have an extra shelf that I had cut from my craft table when I built it, so I went ahead and included it in here. That's why you'll see that I have 5 shelves when this is completed. Okay, so now we're finishing up the last shelf with the legs. Okay, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove all of those off of there and begin screwing the shelf down to the shelf below. So we'll use 3/4 inch screw and attach the top shelf to the one on the bottom, and we'll continue on with that process until we have completed all of the shelves, or completed attaching all of the shelves. And what I'm using is just my fabric ruler. You know, anything with a straight edge. I didn't want to go down to the garage and get a leveler, so I found my fabric ruler. It has a straight edge, so I went ahead and used that just to make sure that my shelves are lined up straight when I'm attaching them. And I will also list the supplies that I use down in the description box. I ran out of screws, and I bought a box of 100, which I thought that would be enough. However, it was not. So I ran out of screws, and this is the next day because I went and purchased them the next day to finish the project. Okay, and so now what we're going to do is go ahead and get ready to attach the edging to it. I purchased PVC edging from Amazon, and mine is not sticky, and this is also the contact cement that I will be applying to it. However, you can purchase the iron-on edging, which will be a lot easier, a lot simple, less messy, because with this PVC edging, you have to apply the contact cement to the edge, and then you also have to apply the contact cement to the board. So applying it to the edging and then you apply it to the board. And then you wait about 15 minutes, anywhere from 15 minutes to about an hour and a half is probably good to attach it. So you don't want to wait much longer than that, and you really don't want to do it sooner than 15 minutes. And my baby did show up in the video a couple times. He wanted to help. So right now I'm just applying the contact cement to the edge of the board, and I also ran out of contact cement too. I thought one would be enough, but I did use it on my craft table as well. So I'm just applying the I think just for one shelf, just for the shelf, one container will be enough. I purchased it from Lowe's, and also Home Depot has it, Walmart has it. So we're going to go ahead and apply the contact cement to the edging now, and then you let it sit, and then we will apply it to the side. And when I cut my edging, what I did is just measured one piece out and cut the rest using that one piece for both sides. So measure once, cut it 10, because I have 5 shelves. And when you use the contact cement, this is another thing, you do want to do it in a well ventilated area because the smell is very strong. I would probably say I would recommend using the iron-on kind, even though that one is more fragile and it's easier to break. It's a lot easier to use. So if I had to do it again, I probably would do the iron-on way. But here is me just attaching the edging, and I had a straight razor on hand, so I can cut off the overlapping side. So once you put it on the corner, you'll see me do it here. Thank you, Making with Marilyn, for that brayer idea. I can use it for different stuff. And I just cut off the edging. Okay, and then the shelf that's my baby, y'all. Y'all know he loves to sing in the background, so don't even mind him. But this is the completed shelf. It is sturdy, strong. I love it. It probably was about, I would say maybe $100 to $120, somewhere around there. Maybe about $120 after I purchased all of the supplies. So not bad at all for a strong, heavy duty shelf that you can put up to 1,200 pounds on. So yeah. And I hope you like this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which is going to be a food video. So thank you for watching. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.